Are you tired of flows failing with no error message? You open it up, everything looks fine on the surface, but something is just broken. And you end up wasting hours manually clicking through each element, trying to figure out where it went wrong. Learn how to pinpoint the exact broken step in under 5 minutes. So here's the plan. We're going to open the debugger, select your troublesome flow, and run it step by step. We'll see exactly where it breaks. No more guessing. All right, let's jump into Salesforce. The very first thing you want to do is look up at the top right corner of your screen. See that little gear icon? That's the setup gear. Click on it. This is your gateway to everything behind the scenes in Salesforce. Now, from that dropdown that just appeared, you're going to click on Open Advanced Setup. Don't worry, it sounds more complicated than it is. This is just where all the admin tools live, including the flow builder and the debugger. Once the setup page loads, you'll see a search bar on the left-hand side. Go ahead and type in the word flow. As you type, notice how the menu below automatically filters. This is one of my favorite time savers in Salesforce. From that filtered list, you're going to click on the Flows menu item. Not flow templates, not process builder, just flows. This takes you to the main list of every flow you've got in your org. Now, find the flow that's giving you trouble. Scroll through the list or use the search box at the top of this page. Once you see it, click on the name of that flow. This opens it up in the flow builder, and you'll see your whole automation laid out in front of you. And here's the really important part. Look for the button in the top right corner that says Debug. Click it. This is the tool that separates frustration from clarity. I've used this hundreds of times to save my own sanity. Now, a new window or tab will open with the Debugger interface. You'll see a button that says Run. Before you click it, take a second to look at the options. Depending on your flow type, you might need to enter a record ID or some test data. In my experience, forgetting this step is one of the most common pitfalls, so make sure you've got a record ready to test with. Once you've got that set, click the big Run button. This is where the magic happens. Watch as the debugger steps through your flow in real time. Each element will highlight as it runs. You'll see exactly which decision branch it took, what values are stored in each variable, and crucially, which step throws an error. So now, instead of guessing in the dark, you have a perfect log of the entire run. You can see the exact moment your flow fails, and you can go back and fix just that one piece. No more wasting an afternoon. You've systematically identified the problem. Go fix it with confidence.